captain has switched off the seatbelt sign, we do ask that you limit your movements around the cabin and do not change seats during this flight unless asked to do so by a member of the crew. We also recommend keeping your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, just in case we encounter any unexpected turbulence. In just a moment, we'll be coming through the cabin to begin our service, starting with pre-purchased meals, followed by in-flight menu selection. If you'd like something to eat or drink, have a look through the Jetstar menu in your seat pocket. You're welcome to pay all major credit cards, including Amex, as well as debit cards with a Visa or MasterCard symbol on them. Jetstar does not currently have contactless payment available on board, so please have your physical card ready, and keep in mind we may ask for photo ID. Alcoholic beverages are only available for purchase from the cabin crew. You're unable to consume any alcohol you've brought on board with you. Also, just a reminder that smoking, including e-cigarettes and vaping, are not permitted on board this aircraft at any time. Please now sit back, relax, enjoy the flight down to Melbourne. Anything else the cabin crew can do, please don't hesitate to ask.